Walang nanay.
Ah, nanay, sorry. Kasi ba?
To all present, I say, you're gathered here, not to witness the beginning of what will be, but rather what already is. You cannot create this marriage, because you cannot. You can and do, however, celebrate with Jessica and Aaron, the wondrous and joyful occurrence that has already taken place in their life, in the commitment they make today. No other human ties are more tender and no other vows more important than those you are about to take. Both of you come to this day with the deep realization that obligation and responsibility to the group. Since it is your intention to marry, join your right hand and declare your consent. Do you take Aaron,
Wala ka tutol, ganyan.
your lawful wedded wife to have and your from this day on, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, sickness and in health, until death to you both.
Yung parang nakailog.
Uy!
I just take you, Aaron, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for to love and to care from this day forward, everyone.
Nag-picture ba mo na?
Do you, Aaron,
Kasi yung pare.
Jessica to be your lawful wedded husband to have and behold from this day on, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, and in report.
Ako yung bride, di ba? I, Aaron, take you, Jessica, to be my husband. To have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, from this day forward until today.
The wedding ring symbolizes unity and a circle unbroken without beginning or end. And today, Jessica and Aaron exchange these rings as confirmation of their vows to join their lives.
Wala pa sa amin. Sorry, okay pa rin. Hindi, hindi ko sa kanya. Saan ako? Same groom eh.
Sa pink.
Kaliwa, di ba dito yung being of heart?
Ang ate, with this saying, I see you with
With this ring, I see my.
And now, with the power vested in me by the Physiological Society, I hereby pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss on the cheek.
Ah!